Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make emails go to a specific folder on Gmail. So let's say you're getting emails from a certain company or something like that. You want to automatically make those emails go to a certain folder on Gmail. So you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So first things first, find the person or company or whatever that you want to filter the emails from. So let's say I want to filter this Discord right here. Let's say I want to filter all the Discord notifications. What I'll do, I go to Discord as you can see here. And then once I'm on here, I'll click on the three dots in the top right corner, right here that say more. And once you do that, you're going to want to look through these options and look for the option that says filter messages like these. Click on that. It's going to bring up all the notifications at discord.com. It's going to do the email that email was sent from. It's going to find all of the emails that are like that one. So once you do that, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to click on create a filter right here. Once you click on create a filter right here, there's going to be a couple options here. But first things first, you want to create a folder for it. So you want to choose a label. So you can just add a new label. You can name it whatever you want. And once you do that, you can just create it and then apply the label. Make sure that's checked. And once you do that, there's a couple other things you can do. If you never want it to be sent to spam, then you can just choose that. Sometimes people will use spammy words and it'll send it automatically to spam. But if you don't want it to do that, then make sure you check this, never send it to spam. And once you do that, you can also do skip the inbox as well, so that it never goes to the inbox, it automatically goes to the folder. And then you can choose all of the already sent emails. You can apply this filter to those as well. And that's basically all the ones that you want. And once you do that, you can just click create filter. And then if you refresh your Gmail, it should have worked. And as you can see, there's now a folder right here, Discord. If I go to it, so the Discord, it just took a little bit of time for it to load. So as you can see, all the Discord notifications are going to this Discord folder right here. So that is how you send specific emails to a folder on Gmail. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. I'll see you guys next time.